What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can change your language on SHEIN. So let's begin by opening the SHEIN app. Well, in the SHEIN app, tap the Me tab located at the bottom right of the screen. In the Me tab, tap the settings icon or the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen, just beside the scan QR code icon. In the settings tab, scroll down and tap the language tab. As you can see, my only language for now is English. The language will be added when you set your location in different countries. For example, let's go to the country called China. If your device location is on, the language for China will be added. And that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.